children, today we are going to learn different topic. Yes, it is word art. We are not just going to write the words, we are going to decorate it in different way. So let's start to do the activity. For this creative letter writing topic, you have to hold your paper or your book in vertical position. Now, in this page, we are going to draw two drawings. So that first we have to divide this paper into two parts by drawing a light line. Now, in this creative letter writing, on the above part we are going to write owl and the below part we are going to write the cat. Now, what is the magic in that? With the help of these letters, we are going to draw the drawing of owl. And with the help of these letters, we are going to draw the drawing of a cat. Remember that we have written O, W and L in the right side of the particular part. Now, with the remaining this area, we are going to show our creativity. Let's draw the picture of an owl. Isn't it creative? With the help of lettering owl, we have drawn the picture of owl. Now let's do the lettering of cat. Now here, to draw the cat, we have to write C-A-T, cat. Now let's do the side border also with the marker or with the black sketch pen. See children, with the help of lettering, we have created the pictures. Owl, O-W-L, owl. With the help of these letters, we have created the drawing of an owl. And with the help of C-A-T, cat, we have created a picture of a cat. Let's start to do the coloring. You can draw clouds to give the effect of the sky. See children, I am giving the color to the background first and I am giving it very lightly. So background color should be very light. Here I am using sky blue color to give the background. Now for the lower part, you have to give the effect of the grass, or if you want you can give the background ground color also, like yellow ochre, grey. As per your creativity you can color it. If you want to give the effect of the grass, you have to hold this oil pastel in standing position and you have to give like this, one color light and one color dark. In this way you have to give the texture of the grass. See the position of the oil pastel, how I am holding it. It will give the nice effect of the grass. let's do the coloring of the owl. For this you can take yellow ochre and brown color. And for wings you can do the shading. How to do the shading, children? Remember to mix both the colors and create the effect of the shading. When we have learned this? We have learned this in oil pastel shading in our line drawing picture. For cat we will give white color only, and to do the shading we have to use grey color. Ribbon will give the red color. See, our owl and cat are ready. With the help of lettering, we can create such nice creative things.